I am Rajiv Dhawan, Managing Director of Rollcon Technofab India Private Limited, and today we are going to discuss about the surge hopper that we use in a dense phase pneumatic ash handling system. This is a water jacketed, water cooled surge hopper which is used to achieve delta temperature in the ash handling system. The ash from the boiler gets discharged into these hoppers and they are water jacketed, and the water flows into them and flows out in such a way that the temperature gets reduced at a faster rate. Below this, we have a knife gate isolation wall. This is made up of high grade casted material. This is hand operated, but we also have an option to have an actuator operated knife gate wall. The purpose of this wall is to create an isolation between the water cooled hopper and the system below in case there is a maintenance required anywhere downstream. So next we have expansion below. The purpose of this is to handle any expansion that gets caused due to increased temperature, and also it takes care of the vibration that gets produced during high capacity transfers of material. Below this we have a tomb wall. This tomb wall is basically for isolation and also controlled flow. So the material gets collected into this, gets cooled, and once the material in the below hopper is transferred through the conveying line, this hopper, this wall gets into an open condition and the material transfers into the hopper below, where pneumatic dense phase line through compressed air is passed on to the hopper and the material gets flowed. This tomb wall operates using a pneumatic cylinder, so that is attached and part and parcel of the system. We also, this hopper, this tomb wall is also water cooled for further reduction of ash temperature that we have already achieved. Overall, in this system, we are able to achieve a delta T of around 150 degrees to 50 degrees, depending on the type of ash and the frequency of the operation of the tomb wall.